So today we're doing a live here.
Thank you.
She is a new person with her beautiful blonde wig on. So come on in, guys. We're having a 20% off sale. Look at all of our beautiful wigs we have set up. We were just about to do a photo shoot.
So soft. Oh my gosh. I wish I had this hair.
Very soft 613 hair. Everybody pay attention to this color. A lot of times when people order 613 hair, it comes out yellow. Our hair is not yellow, nor will you find any black strands in here. This is the highest quality 613 hair you can get. And how does it feel?
It feels so soft. And for it to be like such a light color, you know, they usually shed. It's not shedding at all.
Yeah,
I
let's
love
get a
it.
close up. Yay!
Wow, this is the bomb. This is top notch.
ThanI
wish my hair was not this big underneath so I could see the real look. This is big.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Okay, Lisa, what are we trying on here?
You know me, I love blonde.
Yes.
This is easy blonde. Easy, sexy blonde.
Oh, this is hard. That is really
See how easy it is to put this cap on here?
You kidding me right now? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
Lisa, look at
This
this.
is beautiful.
That is big.
You natural sexy girl.
That is so
I love it.
How do you like this? This is our kinky
It's
curly.
gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's so soft. The density is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, that is cute. Ooh,
Oh, Lisa. Ma'am.
What is your?
Oh my gosh.
What is this name?
I don't know.
You need to name yourself. You need a new name.
This is my alter ego now.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Oh,
This is
so
perfect
soft. That
for
is
summer,
so
fall,
soft.
any season,
Because I
right?
have-
Yes. How does it feel?
This feels amazing. It's so soft. It's perfectly cut. This is sexy.
I'm
This
so
is sexy. It's professional, but it's also sexy, which is what I want. You know, you need like the day to evening looks, right? So this is it.
Wow, I wish my hair was flat.
Or the flats. I mean, either way.
I really like this. I like this color. This is just like stunning.
It looks good. And how does it feel? How does the blonde feel?
So soft. This is like the healthiest blonde I've ever felt. This is beautiful. Beautiful and soft. Perfect cut. Everything is 100%.
We're doing a quick photo shoot here, updating the website with some of our new wigs. But come on in, we're having our 20% off party today.
Who is this girl? Who are you?
This is everything.
This is like, oh, we're gonna date with my rich.
Exactly.
Professor? No, it's not professor. This is amazing. This is so fun. I'm seeing a Jewish. That's what I'm saying.
Really? That's amazing.
I'm moving.
Is this the kinky string? But it's gonna be flattered. Wow, yeah. Oh, wow.
Check out these blondes we have. This is our silky straight. We just put a nice curl wand in it. Wand curl, curl wand.
I really like this one. Yeah, I really like this one.
Yeah, that was good.
I'm telling you, this is good.
How do you like this one?
This is so natural.
Ooh, look at how natural it looks.
Oh my god.
And she just put it right on. Nice, easy installation.
Look at you.
Yes.
You look amazing.
And it's so flat, so you don't have to do the glue.
You can, yeah, you don't.
Nothing.
These are glueless, which is what I like about it. Like I can get ready in 10 minutes.
Yeah, this is good.
And it can come off at night, you know, like it's perfect. This is how I want it. That's beautiful.
Why would you do this to me? I'm supposed
Yeah, you need those.
That's-
This is
that's
beautiful.
it.
And trust me, I have this one.
Can I try that brown one? Never mind.
No, absolutely.
Try the stuff.
Yes, try on whatever you want.
Hair underneath, this is not working.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, you can still get an idea of what it's gonna look like. Absolutely.
The product is like superior.
Do you want a rubber band? I have a sponge.
This is actually like what?
And I have a headscarf. I don't know if that will help.
I didn't take pictures. This looks like
I'll take your picture. Of course.
where's my phone? I don't even know.
Oh, actually,
Come on in, guys. You can try on as many wigs as you want. There's no charge to try on wigs here. We'll give you a nice glass of wine. Come and relax. Or if you don't want wine, we have water. We have brand name candy. Boom. Yeah, come on in. Come shop with us. We have parking right in front of the store here. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We're right in between Helms and La Cienega. We are a custom wig store. We have our own hair care product line. We specialize in making full lace, front lace, and 360 lace units. We also do custom coloring in store, and we do installations as well, starting at just $175.
Well, yeah, but then it looks really good. It does. It really looks good. Perfect. It actually looks good even with that. Yeah.
I mean,
You look like a fucking model.
Hey,
a fucking supermodel. I
Stop
can't
lying.
stand you. It's beautiful.
I love this color. Lisa, I love that one. You need that one.
Yeah, I can like this one. This is fun.
Today.
Fun summer slash fall.
How do you like this one you have on now?
This one is cute. I just have to ignore the hump from my
Right,
hair.
because of all your hair underneath, so,
We can actually fix this.
but
I like it. I like the color.
Beautiful.
And even if my edges did so happen to come out, they're still cute. Like,
right.
they'll blend
But once
in.
we just align that and flatten your hair, it's gonna look amazing.
I love the colors. This is really. And this one's soft too, and it's very thick. Like that's what I like.
The hair quality
It's
here
not
is
straight.
unmatched.
You know, sometimes straight is like really thin, and you're like trying to find hair to like.
You want to
It's like your regular, it's just cute. Like,
I have 5 years.
This one is this one. You need this one.
I know.
Because one day I'm
This
gonna
is
pop
our-
up at your house and
Borrow it.
scratching.
I need it. I need it.
Please.
I need it to survive.
Like today. I like
This
this
is
color.
like gorgeous.
That's my favorite thing.
That's cute. You can wear that to work. Yeah, it's totally
Yeah, that
to
was
work.
cute.
Like I would like a main yeah.
I like this too.
Is this lace or silk?
Like,
Oh, okay. Because I like your silk ones too.
And I'm usually nervous about wigs in general because my forehead's so short, my eyebrows are so close to my hairline. But I wouldn't be nervous about these because I feel like a lot of times I look, you know that Planet of the Apes look. I had a frontal one time and I said,
Really?
my eyebrows were, because you want, look, my hairline and my eyebrows were so close. I literally waxed them apart. So this actually is not bad. Yeah. This doesn't give me that Planet of the Apes if I didn't have this like that.
Right, it'll definitely lay down nice and flat.
Yeah, this is cute.
That's really good.
I love
This
this.
is like
color.
supermodel. Everything. Yeah. Like you look like Naomi.
Oh,
You do.
you do.
You look like fucking Naomi.
I walk out there with so much confidence.
All right, everybody, I'm about to end this live. I just wanted to show you guys what it's popping here at Magic Hair Company. We have some lovely guests in today. Yay! Thank you for watching. See you soon.
This is